Oppo will unveil 13 Pro in the markets. This is the high-end smartphone that offers some of the most advanced and futuristic features. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. It will be 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB of internal memory capacity. The smartphone will land with MediaTek Dimensity chipset and an octa-core CPU. And also on the front of the phone, there will be a single 50 megapixel selfie camera. Oppo Reno 13 Pro offers a large 6.7 inches OLED touchscreen display that produces a sharp resolution of 1264 by 2780 pixels and a smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz, allowing you to experience unbeatable performance and speed. It will be under display optical fingerprint scanner since it carries a triple camera setup at the rear. Oppo will run with Android operating system. The smartphone will be a large 5000 mAh battery pack, which will allow the phone to last all day with one charge. That's all for now and thanks for watching.